Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Freak. I hope all of you are feeling absolutely great. Today we have another interesting topic ahead, and this is called keto diet. Keto diet is a short form of ketogenic diet in which a human body uses fats as a source of energy rather than using carbohydrates. The normal human diet comprises of 60% of carbohydrates, 30% of proteins, and 10% of fats. But in case of keto diet, the diet comprises of 80% of fats. The concept of keto diet was first introduced in 1920, where it was used for epileptic patients. Keto diet is famous for weight loss. But the question is it a good solution for the weight loss? And the answer is, keto diet causes rapid weight loss, but it's a short-term solution. Because most of the vitamins and minerals are not the part of keto diet, which are present in vegetables and fruits, which you are not taking, results in side effects which one feels within a couple of months. So it's a solution, but it's not a natural solution. If you have liked this video, kindly do subscribe to my YouTube channel Medical Freak. Kindly share this video with others. Take best care of yourselves. Thank you.